Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at how electromagnetic waves propagate. Let's start with the creation of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are created by oscillating charges which are accelerating. The electromagnetic wave has the same frequency as the oscillation causing it. Next, we want to look at what kind of wave an electromagnetic wave is. We will see that electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. A wave is called a transverse wave if the wave motion is perpendicular to the motion that is causing it. The electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other and also to the direction of wave motion. So the electromagnetic wave is a transverse wave. Some key vocabulary for waves includes the following. The amplitude is the maximum magnitude of the wave. The wavelength is the distance between identical points on the wave. For example, the distance between consecutive crests. The frequency of a wave is the number of oscillations per time. The period of a wave is the time for one oscillation. There is a relation between the electric field E and the magnetic field B in an electromagnetic wave. E divided by B is equal to C, where C is the speed of light, and electromagnetic waves travel at the speed of light. So the magnitude of the electric field is bigger than the magnitude of the magnetic field, and the ratio is the speed of light. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.